Someday, you'll be able to access your glassware with a simple touch, or elegantly hide your TV when it's not in use. At Eggersmann, that day is now. One of the areas of the home where we focus our technology is in the kitchen. Keep the elegance of your kitchen and hide those unsightly electronics. Set the mood of your lighting with the touch of a button. Coplanar sliding doors that allow you to access large spaces with either the touch of a remote or easily push on the door. Sophisticated motors electronically open and close cabinetry with the touch of a button. Easily open your drawers with your hands full or your hands free. Our sliding worktop solutions, fully customizable, gives you seating when you want it and clearance when you need it. Hidden power systems, easily in reach, totally concealed. Completely conceal your kitchen or completely reveal it. Slide all of your accessories effortlessly to wherever you're working. What you've seen in this video is just a brief overview of what Eggersmann can offer for your home. Our high-tech, high-end kitchens can be found in some of the best homes around the world. We invite you to come into one of our showrooms and experience it for yourself.